Hello, today I want to show you a tool that I've been running recently. It's called Hunyuan 3D, and it's an open source project. I downloaded it from this GitHub, installed it on my computer. You can check it out here. I have it, just running here. It's a bat file, so I just set it up on this tool that I got, and it just runs that bat file and starts a local server. So let's just try it out. Let's upload a new image. Let's see, go something interesting. Yeah, this is one that I put recently. Pretty much that. And yeah, let's just upload a new image and load it back into Houdini. So I've got a bunch of AI generated images here. That's good. That one is interesting. Yeah, let's try that. So let's grab that link and upload it. Let's see. Upload. And that was it. Okay, that one. And so we can generate the shape and the texture. Let's go with the texture and make sure our settings are high enough. Let's put it to 50. Let's go with 50. 51 fine. Put this up and give it 10 guidance. I'm still not sure which are the best settings, but let's put them up a little bit. Should help. And let's generate the texture and shape. While that's going, let's check out some of the models that I already loaded in here. Yeah, I've got these. These are the ones that I already generated. Back, still going. Gonna take a little bit. But yeah, I generated them and loaded them into the. Let's see. I loaded them in here as a GLB file, and they come with a material. So let's see. Let's load one of those images that models that I already got. We'll go scene, and let's go to GLB. GLTF. Yeah, GLTF. And oh, that was the folder. Okay, so just load it in here. Import. Okay, oh, it loaded this. Let's turn these off. Make sure you have it. Okay, maybe. Okay, I need to give it an extraction folder. There we go. And yeah, it came in with the materials. So then what I do from here is I grab this. It's like that's kind of like a cache, and go back to. I'm rendering it in the stage. So see, these are some of the other ones that I loaded. And I imported them and applied the materials that they had already. So this one is pretty good. Yeah, it's loaded in here. I already got a bit of a template. So let's just duplicate this. Go in there, in the subnet, and replace with the new one. Change it in there. I should automate this eventually, just started using this tool, so eventually I'll get to that. Right, yeah, the model, the mesh, pretty high res. I should probably do a bit of a remesh. But let's convert this into let's convert it into a USD file. So first, see the material. Okay, that's the material that I got in here. Yeah, we can replace that. Go back to our original GLB. Go back to the stage. Get our material in there. Now we should have the material. Okay, so it didn't grab it. Let's see. Get it again. Okay. Okay, that's the old material. Let's get the right one because I got the wrong material. Go in here, grab that, and then paste it in here. Now it should work. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I just centered it. Just use this to make sure it's sitting on the grid. And then I clipped it. I think I need to do that. See, it's okay. I'll still like to mirror that over, just in case it comes up with different shapes for the front and back. And the UVs are pretty messy, but I'm thinking we can clean up the UVs and just reproject the texture. Okay, so now we got that loaded in there. Let's export it to our USD file. Let's give it a name. What it originally was called. FISB. Okay. Give it a FISB name, and we can. Okay. Actually, let's just poly reduce it a bit. Reduce. Okay, that should be better. And yeah, now it's gonna be able to be exported. So it's using the node's name. So let's export it there. Okay, now let's load it back in here. Should be, let's just give it the name there. And there we go, it's loaded. See, the materials should be working. I think maybe I need to assign them. Load file. Okay, so the materials here. Export it again. See where the materials are not loading. Where are these materials like that? Oh, I gotta, yeah, autofill it. Okay, there we go. And export it again. Reload. And there they are. Now we could do an edit material here. with this node. Usually, so this would just bring up the color a little bit brighter, because they're pretty dark. I think I gotta feed it the color. Let's get the texture there. Get this. All right. This will ramp up the color value. And yeah, let's just see how that looks. Let's create a switch here, just to view it quickly. And I had it so that it would instance a bunch of, actually we can do that. Yeah, we just need to increase the amount of instances. So we got a line in the instancer here. Let's give it another value, 7. Yeah, we didn't actually add it to the group. Now it's in the group. Give it a bit of a rotation. Let's form it a bit, just degrees. There we go. And let's render that. And there we go. So actually, let's play with the material a little bit because it's supposed to be a metal. So let's give it more metallic. Give it a lot of metal, and let's make it less rough. Okay, so we had the roughness here. You can just that off actually. So that was connected. Let's see. Okay, so I think something went wrong with that material. Okay, so that one is a copy of the other one. So we shouldn't have done that. Material. Okay, so I didn't load the right one. It's still loading the other one. So let's recreate this. Meantime, let's go back. Let's fix this first. Here. This one's the one that got broken. Let's go in here. Let's grab the texture again. Let's put it back in that material. Disconnect this. Just take that off. Make sure this one is working. Good. Let's connect this again. Seems to be, oh, okay. It's over here. Let's grab the right material for that. So it's this one. Load it. Now it should be good. All right. There we go. Okay. Let's load it back. See how it looks. It's very dark. Looking at the lighting. Get the lighting right. Let's play a bit with the colors. Get this out of the way here. Let's pin it so we can do that roughness. Actually, let's make sure the metal is high. Okay, and play with the roughness now. Not rendering very well. Oh, can't put it in yet. There. So now it's more metallic. And okay, let's get a frame. Okay, and this should probably be smaller, a bit big. Something like that's good. And yeah, we can check out our model that we did earlier. Let's check out the model. Okay, so that's the flower model that we got. It's okay, not the greatest, but let's see the geometry. Could be better. It's not the best, but let's just export it quickly. So let's add the transforms for it, and here you can set up different file types. I like this one because it brings the materials. So let's go to here. Okay, let's go set up download path and texture mesh. Let's call flower. Now let's just take a look quickly on here. Again, let's repeat that. Import GLB scene and pick our flower and extraction folder, and there it is. So it looks like. It's not too bad. It's interesting, but yeah, it's not symmetrical. Those images work better if you have a symmetrical model. Well, a symmetrical view of the model. Okay, so let's go back here. Do that again. Let's duplicate this. Load the new model. This one. Okay, so this one, because, okay, maybe you can make it symmetrical. Okay, that kind of improves it a bit, but also we need the new material. See this. Let's name it. Name it like flower A. Make sure our materials are working. Okay. I wonder if the other side looks better. Let's, instead of this, let's do this side. Okay, now makes it doubled. We could maybe rotate the flower a little bit. Maybe it gives it a bit more, yeah, more sharp point. Let's go this way a little bit. Okay. We might be able to fix it if we just do it a little bit. Angle. Okay. This is kind of thick. It's alright, I guess. Let's move it a little bit more. Okay. See how it looks with the materials. Yeah. It's better than the original because it kind of rigged out a bit easier. Although, yeah, it looks strange, but I'll just do for now. It's just a test. And again, let's export that. Bring it in here. Look at this. Yeah, I think this process, I'm gonna automate it. That way I don't have to repeat these steps. Reload. And the material, let's check it. It's not working again. Yeah, autofill this. Go, reload. And there we go. Materials. Yeah, this one came out more bright. And again, let's lay it down. Let's not edit the material for this. It's fine. And we can take a couple of screenshots too. New render. Yeah, the instance. Let's add another asset on that. Should probably promote that attribute up here. Okay. Let's see what it looks like now. Okay. there it is. Here's some of the other. It's a little bit more close up. Yeah, the materials are very dark. The textures are dark, but yeah, they give you a good base. Okay, and let's just do one more render, one more model, and leave it there. Here's some of the. This one is pretty low resolution. I think I lowered the resolution a lot. I think on the poly reduce. Yeah. Okay, let's make another render, another model. We've got more plants. Let's do an alien looking one. Maybe from the side is better. That one has two pipes. Yeah, maybe this one will work. Yeah, let's try this one. Okay, copy it, and paste it in there, and the settings are good. Okay, let's generate. It's gonna take a while. Another thing, yeah, like the rigging of this can be done with like a quick way to do a rigging is, let's grab this one. Let's, oh, I forgot about the screenshots. Let's just take a couple of screenshots here quickly. Okay, so we got this. Let's render that. Pretty dark. Just skip this. Just want that one model. All right. So there's our model. Now let's take a screenshot so we know what it looks like. There it is. Now let's take another. Let's take this one too and render it. Pretty bright. Let's take it like that. Okay. screenshot. There it is. Now we got, okay, let's do a wide screenshot. Delete all of them. So got on our model. Still going. Yep. So this one is taking a couple of seconds. Okay, we got all our models here. Take another screenshot. You can remove this one. And let's do another render with just the shader. Check this out. This one's taking some time. Oh, okay, it's done. Oh, and it's not. It's got a weird thing on the head. The center looks okay. The tail looks okay. It might look okay if I mirror it. Let's see. Yeah, let's just export that quickly. And okay, got their screenshot. This one down. Pin this up. There we go. Let's pin it. Okay, so let's import that new model. Import. Do this. This one goes here. Okay. Let's get the materials now. Okay, now let's autofill materials. This time I remembered. Alright, so there it is. We had a transform that maybe we don't want. Yeah, because it's giving it two tongues. But yeah, actually that worked pretty well. Yeah, not bad. Uh, and this should get rid of some of those small stringy bits. Don't need to merge them back in. We'll reduce this too much. Let's keep this one fairly high. Okay, good. Port and load it back. And there it is at the end. Pretty bright. It's a little lower. Yeah, here we go. Let's take a screenshot of it and then that will be it. I need let's just do it like this. It's pretty bright. Unless we add let's add this grid. Okay, let's take a screenshot. There it is. That's how I'm using this tool. All right, so hope that helped understanding some of the 2D to 3D and how I'm processing it in Houdini, converting it to USD, and next I'll work on rigging it and fixing some of the UVs because the UVs are a bit messy. And yeah, I don't think it's clean enough. Yeah, there's a lot of messy UVs, so I'll need to transfer some of those colors. Maybe I'll convert the texture into point attributes, and then transfer that, or just transfer the. There's a way to remesh this quickly. So, for example, just the this one's probably better to remesh. Do this. Oh, I already did it. So it remeshes that. Can transfer the attributes. It's not perfect, but then yeah, it just transfers the material over. The idea is that, yeah, it should transfer the attributes, but it's very dark. It's hard to see it. Transfer some of those colors over, and it kept the UVs fairly similar. But yeah, it's not the cleanest way to do it. So keep that like that. And yeah, that will be it. Alright, that'll be it for now.